Now listen carefully to the information talk and answer questions 11 to 15.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this information talk. Most of you arrived here at the Sun and Sand Resort yesterday evening, and it's my job today to let you know a little bit about what's available for you here and where these things are. We are currently in the main reception area. If you leave here, you'll find the ornamental lake right in front of you. Directly opposite, you'll find the bus stop, which I'll tell you more about later. If you take the path from the right-hand side of the lake, you'll pass the mini-golf on your left and, just after that, the swimming pool on the right. If you continue down the path, you'll reach the sports center, where you can use the resort's gym and squash courts, and also take part in the regular exercise classes that we run there. If you take the left-hand path from the lake, this will take you to the resort's private beach. On the way down, you'll see our tennis courts on the right-hand side. When you arrive at our beach, you'll see our snack bar on the right-hand side just behind the beach. Food and drink is available here. Back across the path from the snack bar is the activities office, which is also behind the beach. If you're not the type of person who just likes lying on the beach all day, you can visit this office and they'll give you details about the kayaks, sailing boats, pedalos, and various other beach equipment that we have. Finally, our beach is enclosed on both sides, and the area to the far left as you arrive by the path is reserved for over 18s. People can find there a quiet place away from the noise of children if they so wish.
Before you hear the rest of the talk, you have some time to look at questions 15 to 20.
Pause the recording for 30 seconds.
Now listen and answer questions 15 to 20.
Now, if you'd like to look at your map, we'll begin our tour. The site is a bit like a circle, with the railway going round the edge. You can see where we are now by the entrance, and we're going to start by walking to the high street. We'll go to the crossroads in the middle of the map and go straight on, making our way between two buildings on either side of the path. The larger one is an exhibition centre, but it's not open today, unfortunately. The other building is offices. The path leads directly to the High Street building, which is at the opposite side of the site to the entrance. Here you're free to wander around and take a ride up and down on a tram. We'll then take the path which follows the railway line and crosses it to the farm. If you wish, you can have tea in the farmhouse, and there'll be time to look at the animals and the machinery. Then we cross the railway line again and visit our special attraction, which is the coal mine. It's just in front of us, here at the entrance. We'll return to the crossroads and walk through a small wooded area to the manor house. This is one of the original buildings on the site and belonged to a wealthy farmer. You can look round the house and gardens and talk to our guides who can tell you what it was like to live there. We will then follow a path which goes past the pond and will take us to the railway station, which is situated between the path and the railway line. Finally, we'll take the steam train back around the site, passing alongside the high street and the coal mine back to the entrance. So, if you'd like to follow me...
Yes.